Hey everyone, how's it going? So, growing up, my favorite cartoon of all time was Garfield. And I've shown you guys how to draw Garfield. So now I want to show you guys how to draw Odie. So, to start off with Odie, we're going to begin with his nose. So, starting right here, I'm just going to make an oval shape like this. Then, inside of it, I'm just going to draw another oval on top. And I'm just going to color in the area around that oval and just a little line on top. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight up for his eyes. And then I'm going to curve this line around, and it's going to go out, and then it's going to curve right back towards the nose. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of curve out, and then go right back towards the nose. Then I'm going to add two little dots in here for the pupils. Now, starting here at the bottom of the eye, I'm going to make a big smiley face that goes from one end to the other. And then I'm going to add these little curved lines on the ends. Then I'm going to make a little circle shape here, and then a little circle shape here for his little cheeks. Now, his ears sit right on top of his eyes. So I'm going to draw a line that goes really tall, and then it's just going to kind of curve down and then back up like this. And then I'm going to add another little curved line there. And then just a line that goes right back towards the eyes. Then same thing here. I'm going to curve this up. I'm going to go around and then just kind of come back up. Little curve line. And then I'm just going to curve back down towards the eyes. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down for his neck. And then I'm going to make another one that's really close to that, and this is going to be the side of his mouth. Then you just want to make a little line that's going to curve this way. And then I'm going to start up here and draw his tongue. Now his tongue is really big. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve out. And it's going to go down, and it's going to curve up, and when it curves back, it's going to get a little bit skinnier. And then you just want to add a little curved line right down there. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down here, and then down here. And then I'm going to make a line here, and then a line right down here that curves to there. Now, starting here for his body, I'm going to make a little bump like this. And then for his back, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve here and go down. Then for his leg, I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. And then I'm going to add another one right there. I'm going to add a little curved line for like a little wrinkle. And then I'm going to add another one that's just going to go up and down. And then it's going to go over and then connect to here. And then you just want to add a little curved line in there. Then same thing here. I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. Little curve for the wrinkle. And then I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to go up. And then it's going to curve back here for the other foot. And then just put the little line in there for the toes. Then right here at the top of the leg, I'm going to put two little lines for some more wrinkles. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line right here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves down and up, kind of like for the top of the leg. Little line that curves down. Another little two lines for wrinkles. And then I'm just going to go up. I'm going to get really close to this foot. And then I'm going to curve it back. Then I'm going to just curve up. And then I'm going to go up, and then when I get to here, I'm going to curve down. And then I'm just going to add a little curved line right there. Then I'm going to give him his little spot on him. And then I'm going to draw a tail, and the tail is just going to be a little line like this. And then it's just going to curve back down and just get a little bit bigger. And I can color this part in right here. Then I'm going to add a little curved line on his foot for the toes. And then right here, just draw a line down for his back leg. And then a little line that's just going to curve up and down, and a little line right there. Now, the last thing we want to do is Odie is famous for drooling all over Garfield. So what I'm going to do is right here, I'm just going to add a little curved line. This is just going to kind of curve out, in, back out, in, and then it's just going to come right to about there. And then we're going to add all these little droplets of saliva. So I'm just going to make some little teardrop shapes for some little like dog spit. And we're just going to kind of curve this around. We'll add about 5 of these because odd numbers look best. And then right here in this little pile of drool, I'm just going to draw a couple little lines that just go down for some reflections. And there you go. There is your drawing of Odie from Garfield and Odie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.